So if you're looking to download a file from the internet and get it into your Playout 1 system, then FileCopy is your answer. In this video, I'll show you how you can take a simple URL and download that file and import it into your Playout 1 system. Now, this is different to FTP. If you are looking to download files from an FTP site, then please see our other videos. However, let's begin, shall we? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Dropbox file based on the fact that someone's given you a public Dropbox link, but this could be any URL that you are given. All you need to make sure is that you can access that file from a web browser. So if you've done that test, we can download it via FileCopy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open FileCopy and we're going to go and click the Add button to start a new job. So I'm going to give this a title. In the description box, I'm going to just describe what it is. It's going to be a news download from internet. We're then going to move over to the source tab, and this is where we're going to select internet from the source tab, and we're going to paste the URL into the URL file box. Now, if I just show you on my browser here, here's the link that I've been given from a user for the news. It's a Dropbox file. It's a public file. I can access it, so I'm going to paste it in here. Now, handy tip, if you're downloading from Dropbox, and this is only for Dropbox, then you need to add just something on the end of the file. It's basically a question mark DL equals 1. And what that does is it tells Dropbox to give us the file rather than opening a web browser. So question mark DL equals 1. Now, if you were downloading this from a traditional web server and there was a username and password, to access the web server, you would enter them into that box just there. Now we're going to go to the rename tab and we're going to rename this to news because it's the UID for our news bulletin. And that's what we want to do. And then we're going to go to the destination tab. We're going to send it to auto importer, our news auto importer. And then finally on the schedule tab here, we're going to run this job every single hour, 5 to the hour, every single day. Now, once I'm happy with this, I'm going to hit Add Job, and then you see it appear in the FileCopy list. And to test this, rather than waiting for another half an hour, let's hit Run, and we should see that the job begins to run, and we then get our confirmation to tell us that the file has been downloaded, copied across to Auto Importer, and if we just go take a little look at Auto Importer, there it is. It's already importing into our news cart, which is on UID News. So that is how you import a file from the internet using a very basic URL. If you have any questions or if you are struggling with certain FileCopy jobs, then please do not hesitate to contact our support team. You can email them at support@air.com.